If you've got a strong memory or a strong memory trace or neuron pathway, that will come to the fore first. That will come to the front. So when you're working with somebody and they've had a trauma, like that guy that was in Thailand who he lost his partner and he wouldn't have a shower. You remember what I talked, yeah? I can never erase that memory. It's going to be there forever. Every experience you've had is in here, or in your brain, not my brain, sorry, but in your brain, yeah? It's there. You can't erase it. They've tried drugs to remove it. They haven't worked. They haven't worked. They have done recently experiments with drugs, certain type of drugs. I'm not going to say what they are, but they have done experiments where there has been trauma. And if they can treat the patient before a certain time, I don't know what that time was. Sleep. So immediately after the trauma, if they can treat the patient, then they can stop the neuron pathway passing to long-term memory. So there is that little window of opportunity where you can erase certain things. But that is something is not in our ability. But how did I treat this guy? How did I do it?